बाबूश मोन्सेरात बलात्काराचे केशीत अडकला. बाबूशा आड बलात्काराची केस चल्या. एक मायनर मणिपुरी चलयेन कागाळ केल्या. सध्या पणजे पोलिसांनी केस रजिस्टर केल्या. बाबूशा आड IPCच्या कलम 376 आणि गोवा चिल्ड्रन्स एक्टा खाला गुन्यांव नोंद केल्यात. बाबूश म्हणटा हें ताचे आड षडयंत्र. ते मणिपुरी चलयेक खंय ताणें ताच्या हॉलमार्क स्टोरात कामाक दवरिल्लें. चलयेचे आवय बापूय ताका काम दी म्हूण आयिल्ले. ते चलयेन कावंटरावेली कॅश फारायली म्हूण ताका खंय स्टोरांतल्यान काडलें. कागाळीत कांयच तथ्य ना. हें षडयंत्र म्हूण बाबूश उलयला. पुलीस सध्या बाबूशाक सोदतात. तो मुंबय गेला म्हूण कळटा.
हॅलो.
हॅलो.
तुमचेर केस जाला एक रजिस्टर.
बाबा, I am not even least involved in this thing here. It is a shock to me.
ओके.
अरे हांव म्हणजे पळय हांवें कितें केलां हांव सारको सांगपी बाबा हांव येस आय एम गिल्टी आय हॅव डन समथींग रॉंग. When I have not done, see, this is the thing. What is when I have not basically not involved in this thing and something has come, mark has come on me.
ओके. तुम्ही आसा घरा कडेन आसा कमेंट दिवपाक?
No, I am out of station. I am coming back tomorrow. I was in Bombay.
Okay.
I left on Sunday.
आणि कंप्लेन करपी कोण ते खबर आहा तुमकां?
Some Nepali girl who was working in my this thing in Hallmark here. I had put her for job.
Okay.
Mother was requesting to put her for job. So the first day after she joined job, she removed 4,000 rupees from the counter.
Okay.
So the 4,000 rupees counter, then those girls who are there basically working there, they confronted her. She said no, this isn't it. And after she agreed and said yes, I spoke to her. She never spoke to me whatsoever. Then she told my accountant the next day something, give me 3,000 rupees. I already spoke to her. She did not this thing.
Okay.
Looking at his character, this thing, my girl said, sir, tomorrow we will be having a problem unnecessary. We removed her from the job. Then she was pleading with me, just keep me for job, just keep me for job and all. So then I did not even get back on that issue.
Okay.
Then her mother complained her about her 1 month back. That she robbed her mother's jewelry, and she's roaming around, not coming home at nights and all.
Okay.
And after that, when her mother complained, she was taken to Apnagar because of mother's complaint. And this is now she's in Apnagar for the past 1 month, I believe. And now this is
she was in Apnagar.
Yeah, she's in Apnagar. I am not at all involved in this thing here.
Okay.
What way I can prove? I am open. If I am
Okay.
I am not involved. That is the thing, no? That is part of it.
फाल्यां येयले की आमी एक कमेंट घेता तुमचो पिक्चर एक तुमच्यान सकाळीं येतले.
I am coming tomorrow morning.
Morning.
I am not running away from anyone. I will come and police are looking out for me. I am ready to hand over myself.
पुलिशेन कॉन्टॅक्ट केला तुमकां आतां पर्यंत म्हणजे?
No one contact me still.
ओके. तुम्ही फाल्यां गोंयान पावतले.
फाल्यां गोंयान.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.